Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are diving into a crucial aspect of managing your workflows: how to delete a workflow in n8n. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by too many workflows cluttering your dashboard, or perhaps you simply want to clean up and stay organized, this tutorial is just what you need. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your workflows with ease and confidence. Let's jump right in and get started on this simple yet essential task. The entire process should take no more than 5 minutes of your time. First things first, open your favorite web browser. You'll want to navigate directly to the official n8n website. This is where our journey begins. Once you've reached the n8n homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed on the main page. Give it a click, and when prompted, enter your login credentials to gain access to your personalized dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you're on the dashboard where your workflows live. Here you'll see a variety of options laid out before you. To proceed with deleting a workflow, you'll need to head over to the Personal section. This is where all your workflows are listed. Take a moment to carefully scan through the list and identify the specific workflow that you wish to remove. Once you've located it, focus your attention on the ellipsis, commonly represented by 3 dots, next to the workflow's name. Clicking on these dots will unveil a drop-down menu with several available actions. The first action you'll take in this process is archiving the workflow. From the drop-down menu, select the Archive option. Archiving is a preparatory step before deletion. It essentially moves the workflow out of your active list and into a separate section, making it hidden from immediate view. To proceed further, it's vital to ensure that your list is set to display workflows that have been archived. This is an important step because without it, you won't be able to see the workflow when it's time for the final deletion. Look for the filter icon, often located at the top right corner of your workflow list section, and make sure to enable it. When the filter is on, configure it to show both active and archived workflows. With the filter activated, go back to your list to locate the archived workflow you plan to delete. It's crucial to double-check that the filtering has been applied correctly, allowing you to see the workflow ready for deletion. Once you've found it, click on it again. This time, instead of choosing the Archive option, select Delete. Upon doing so, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision to permanently delete the workflow. Be aware that this action is irreversible. So, ensure that this is truly what you want to do. Once you're confident, confirm the deletion by clicking Yes or Confirm, depending on the prompt you see. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a workflow in n8n. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so it's wise to double-check the workflow you're removing to avoid any mishaps. By following these steps, you can now manage your workflows more effectively, keeping only what you truly need and ensuring your dashboard remains organized. That's it for this tutorial on how to delete a workflow in n8n. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos. We hope to see you again soon for more tips and guides that make tech management a breeze.